Well, hello Story Chasers, this is Amber again, and this is my new series on Sunday of cooking in the kitchen. And as you might have seen from my last two videos and some previous videos that I had before about cooking, I love to do one-pot meals. Why? Because I live in a van, and living in a van, you have this very minimalist kitchen here, and it's easy cleanup, and a lot of times when I can do meals in one pot, I can cook one time and have 3 or 4 different meals. So I love leftovers. I don't know about you, but I really like them. So today we are cooking chili. Now, you might know this about me. I'm originally from Texas, and in Texas, they are passionate about their chili. And one thing that they don't do is they don't put beans in their chili. However, I do. I love beans. It's a good source of protein. So I'm actually going to use this Angus ground beef. It's grass-fed plus the beans in my chili. I love it. So today I'm cooking this chili in my Instant Pot. This is a 3-quart Instant Pot. It's the smallest one that they have. I used to have, I think it was a 6-quart when I had my Class C RV, but because I downsized into the van, I wanted to get something that was smaller and that would fit in the tight spaces in a van. So I'm using a 3-quart Instant Pot. Also, since this is a new series, I love hearing your feedback. I'd like to know, what do you guys want me to cook? And I also want you to come along and cook with me. So if you're cooking some of my meals that you're seeing on my YouTube channel, then go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know that you cooked it and how it turned out. I would love to hear from you guys. So that's just in the comment box below. All right, guys, let's get started. Well guys, I hope you like this recipe of my chili with beans in it. I know you Texans are going to comment below and say, there's no beans in chili. Go ahead and leave me the comment. I don't care. I'd love to hear it. And go ahead and post any variation of this recipe that you'd like. I'd love to hear what you guys like in your chili. And if you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell while you're at it to be notified every time I come out with a new video. I come out with videos twice a week now, on Thursday and on Sunday. And also, make sure you share this video. I'm sure someone's going to love my chili with beans in it. Just don't send it to any Texans. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.